haven't recorded anything in a while, so I thought today I'd sit down and put a message up on my YouTube site. I just got through sitting and watching CNBC and listening to what's going on. The stock market went down again, and if you listen to the people who are supposed to know what's going on, it's going to continue to go down. It's looking pretty bad out there. Today they've got the people on Capitol Hill that were supposed to be rating all this stuff, asking them why they were asleep at the wheel, why they were rating these mortgages that were subprime as excellent products to invest in. You know, it's really bad out there. Let me tell you a story. Several years ago, I bought a house in Florida. I paid $500,000 for it. Today, the best offer I can get on that house is under $200,000. That's over $300,000 that I'm going to lose on that house. And you know, nobody can do anything about it. It's just the way it is. And if I can't get that thing sold, the price is going to continue to go down. A friend of mine just sold his house. He got out from underneath it. He had paid a little over $300,000 for the home. He sold it for $55,000 in Florida. He just had all he could take. He got out of it. He went the other way. So things are looking bad. I lost my job over a year ago. I can't find work. The industry that I'm usually involved in has tightened up everything, put job freezes in place, and said they're not going to hire anybody for a while. So I don't know what I'm going to do about trying to find a job. I got to make some money. So, you know, it kind of sucks out there right now. The stock market keeps going down. The only good thing is gas is going down. Oil's going down. But you know what? If you don't have a job to go to, it can cost 25 cents a gallon, and it's not going to do you any good. So my fear is that when the new president, which I'm pretty sure is going to be Barack Obama, walks into office, it's going to be a whole new day for him. Everything he sees now, I predict, is going to be worse. The stock market's going to be lower. Jobs are going to be gone. You know, the scary thought that GM and Chrysler is going to merge and they're going to do away with 66,000 jobs is a scary thought. That is a real scary thought. Where are all those people going to go to work? Now, of course, they'll probably walk away with some really fat severance packages, so it won't hurt them for a while, but still, things are happening out there that are kind of scary. My wife and I are worried about where we're going to live pretty soon. So it's really a bad time. The credit markets are easing up, but now the bond market's about to come due, and they're concerned there's going to be a lot of default on the bonds. So it could just make things worse. So you guys, I hope you're doing everything you can to protect yourself. My wife and I we're cutting everything down as cheap as we can. Credit cards, I've said this once, I'll say it again. We need to whack up our credit cards and throw them away and quit using them, because they're going to kill us one of these days. And I don't think we've even seen the issues in the credit card market until, I think, in the next 60 to 90 days we're going to see what's going to happen there. Well, those are my thoughts. This is a bad time for everybody. I hope you're doing good, and if you got a job, you better do everything you can to keep it, because tomorrow it may not be there. And again, I have some websites, hdtreasures.net and .com, sites where I sell some things. I would encourage you to go out there and take a look at it. If you find something you like, buy it. Trying to raise some money to keep my wife and I in a house. I hope you guys are doing good, and I'll be talking to you again soon. This is your Junkyard Dog Politics 101 man signing off. Bye.